Hey guys, it's your girl Etta, and welcome to our YouTube channel. As promised, I am bringing more information to you so that you can elevate and grow your legal career, your staff, and your law firm, and anything else that you want to do within the legal industry. We are here to help and assist in any way we can. So these are free little tidbits that we're providing throughout your year so that you can take them on and really learn from them, because that's really what we're here for. We're here to change the legal industry from the inside out. And today I want to go over 3 mistakes that we often see at law firms. And the best part, I'm going to tell you how to fix them. So let's go over mistake number 1, not having clear processes. And by clear process, it's not an idea that you had that you just plopped it on a document and shared it with your team and the world. That's not how this works. When you actually have processes and operations in place, you actually have to teach that. You have to let people know what exactly that means, because not everybody's going to either understand or what we call speak your language. So really start implementing it and really get the buy-in from your team. That's a proper and clear way of preparing and actually extending processes. So this is essential. You can have an idea, you can roadmap it, you can put it on a document, and it's always nice for reference, but you also have to kind of get that implementation portion of it, and you have to get the buy-in from your team. If not, then that's where your bottlenecks and the gap comes in, where you find that your team is not properly implementing what you want because they don't really know what you want. They just have an idea of what you want, but they don't really know exactly what that means, because again, they don't speak your language. All right, so that's mistake number 1. Mistake number 2 is not having proper training, right? Just what I told you. If we're not training the staff, we call that the puzzle effect, and they don't see the full picture. So you got to kind of put the puzzle together and make sure that everybody knows what's happening. Everybody has a clear vision, has expectations, and it's reciprocal, right? This is not a one-way street. In order to be a great leader, you must be a great provider of information, provider of tools, and most importantly, provider of training. We need to train our staff in order to actually have a staff that is efficient, effective, and proactive, which is what's essential for any legal industry member or organization or law firm. So properly train your staff. And the last mistake I'm going to go over today, which is probably the most common that we see, especially with clients that we consult with, is not understanding your team's needs. Just because you have processes in place and you train them on those processes and operations, that's probably what they are trying to tell you is, well, we don't really need this tool, we need that tool. Or it's great that we have this, but we're not using it to its full effect. And so really understanding what your team needs and the tools that they need. So let me give you an example that's non-legal that you may or may not have come across in your life. Let's say you need a plumber. Something's wrong with your plumbing at your house or your rental, whatever it is, and you go ahead, you shop around, and you finally find someone within your budget, within distance, that actually serves your actual location, and probably kudos, you got a reference, right? So you got them referred to you, so you know they're reliable, and that they are good to go. You get them there, they come in, they evaluate the situation. They're like, yeah, I can do this for you, but I need this tool for that tool for this, and this tool for that. Well, you thought that you hired a professional, that they would have all those tools. So why don't they have those tools? That's kind of how your team members are, right? They have the skill, they have the education, they probably have proper and prior experience, but not the experience they need and the tools that they need in order to work with you. Okay, so big disconnect there. You have to understand your team's needs. Now, how can you clear all this out? Obviously, training, right? You want to train your staff, you want to set an expectation, you want to have probably a firm-wide meeting, either department by department or an entire meeting, or both would be nice. Team building exercises to really see what the team needs, really open them up, get them out of their element, and they will be singing like canaries. So hopefully that works for you. If you need further assistance or further help, we're always here to help you. So call us up, hit us up on the website, or even direct message us. You can always set us a consult with us for free. You get 15 minutes of our time on our dime. All right. So have a good one. Hope this helped.